What's up, guys? Hope you're keeping well. Welcome back to a short little video. So en route, I noticed that Tegiwa wasn't too far from where I was, and I was passing through Stoke-on-Trent. So I thought I may as well drop in to collect some parts. Now I did have some stuff on order which is still out of stock, but I'm gonna just kind of substitute on my throttle body, because I ordered a Tegiwa 70mm throttle body for the Civic, but that's been out of stock for a couple of weeks and I don't want to kind of hold the build up. So I've stopped over, as you can see. That's them there in the background. I'm gonna try and see if I can substitute, maybe cancel that one and top up for a SKUNK2, because it's only like 40 quid or so more for a SKUNK2 one. So yeah, let me go into there, do that. Thought I'll let you guys know. It's only a quick little midweek video, and once I've got it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Right guys, voila, and we have our SKUNK2 ALPHA Series 70mm throttle body. But yeah, topped up a couple of quid for this, guys. I'll show you what it looks like inside. Obviously you get your usual stickers and bits and pieces in there. It comes in that. Let me take it out of there. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Obviously it comes with a gasket and some bolts here, you know, which is nice. Some nice fresh bolts to tighten that all up. But yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. SKUNK2 sticker there. So this is not the billet one. The billet one is a lot more expensive, but for what we're going for, I think this is ideal, to be fair. You know, we don't really need the billet one. And yeah, you can see the ALPHA Series SKUNK2. Just got this from inside just to measure what our internal depth is on this. So we'll measure that, and as you can see, exact 70mm. External, just for the people that want to buy these, it's about 76, yeah, 76mm. So yeah, I know the stock one on the car is something like 60 odd mil. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's about 60 mil or something tiny. And because we're actually uprating all the boost pipes to 3-inch, I thought it's just better for me to replace this as well. And then what JDK are also going to do, they're going to port match this to the Delbrock Vector X, because I think that's 66 mil. So that 4 mil, they'll just port match that to the throttle body, which will make it run nice and smooth. So yeah guys, that's what it looks like. Nothing fancy. Those are your part numbers if you want one. As I said, quick video, midweek video. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your week. Once I've got a better update on the Civic, then I'll let you guys know. But yeah, take it easy. Cheers, bye.